Realme X50 Pro Player Edition vs Oppo Ace 2 small side-by-side compression. Two phone come with same price segment. Which one you chose, you guys? First overview the phones side by side. First look phone display. Oppo Ace come with 6.55 inches. Realme X50 Pro Player 6.44 inches. Both phone come with same AMOLED display with HDR10 Plus panel. Watching movie and streaming. Two phone display quality is good, color quality video quality is good, display device quality same, but Oppo Ace 2 come with tiny single punch. Realme X50 Pro come with dual punch hole. Also two phones support 90 Hz refresh rate and 180 Hz touch sampling. Let's look hardware and software. Two phone running on Android 10. Realme X50 Pro come with Realme UI. Ace 2 come with Color OS 7. Skin is different but also same notification and settings and feature everything same. It's not big change. So let's move next topic. Processor wise two phone come with same Qualcomm Snapdragon 865. It's flagship processor so support all games maximum level settings. I'm used two phone last 1 week. It's also quite good, not bad. Phone right and left side power key and volume plus minus button here. First look phone left side volume plus and minus button here, and signal antenna band. See guys phone size X50 Pro size lightly big frame, one owner but two brand, do you understand guys? Comment now. Two phone backside quad camera setup here. Main camera 48MP and 8MP ultra wide and 2MP depth and 2MP macro lens. Camera vice two phones camera specs same. Which camera setup you like guys? I like Realme X50 Pro. Also Oppo Ace 2 good, looking same OnePlus 7T, phone right side same power button, also two phone power button color action add. Two phone top side secondary microphone here, and phone button side Type-C port and speaker grills and SIM card tri port here. Bad news no headphone jack,